Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to re-enable Save Password pop-up on Google Chrome browser. Open Google Chrome browser on your computer. When you access a website for the first time, Google Chrome will ask you whether to save the password or not. If you click Never, it won't ask you again when you revisit the website. To re-enable Save Password pop-up, click on the three-dot icon located at the top right corner of the page. Go to Settings. Under Autofill section, click on Passwords. Scroll down to Never Saved section. Delete the site you want so that Chrome prompts you to save the password when you revisit the website. This is how you can re-enable Save Password pop-up on Google Chrome browser. Thank you for watching.